Alright, here's how to replace the LCD panel in this Samsung, I think it's the ATIV 4 laptop. It's easy and difficult all at the same time. First thing, remove the power. Second thing is to remove this facing here, whatever this is called. It's snapped in, there are no screws holding this part in, but to pull it out, it's going to take a lot of force, and it's kind of scary the amount of force it takes. But you can get your fingers under here. And you'll hear it when it gives. There you go. And you can just work your way around the unit. Help to open it as much as possible to get the bottom, and lift that right out. Set it aside. Alright. Only 4 screws hold it in. Number 0 Phillips will do it. Here, 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 and here. Yay for magnets. Okay. And just pull it out and lay it down on the keyboard. The LCD panel is connected right here with this handy dandy little connector. If you can peel up the yellow tape, you can free it. We can reuse that. Get another camera. I don't have long fingernails, so I'm going to use an edge to get this piece of plastic started. pull the connector free. Got stepped on. Bring in the new panel. Get the cushion. Lay it down here. And peel these two pieces of tape back. Because once you put the panel back in, it's going to be impossible to get to them. And be careful with this connector. Snap it in there. It's not going to make much of a snap, but that's what the tape is for, to hold it in place. Bring the yellow tape back into play. There we go. Flip it back into position. And you can replace the screws. Kind of painless. Even though the panel has 2 screw holes on each tab, there's only going to be one place you can put the screw, so don't worry about picking the wrong hole. Firm, but not too hard. Take the foam off. Take the protective covering off. And here's a part where I'm usually superstitious. I don't like to button it all up before testing. But today's a good day. Just like when you're taking it off, find one place that matches up, push firmly but not too hard, and work your way around. And there you have it.